Can't see against that light. Today is December 23rd, 2018. 68 degrees in the RV. Another beautiful day. Blue skies and sun. So this means another day of painting. 39% humidity. That's fairly low for us, which is good. Paint will dry faster. So I'm going to put the second coat of gray paint on in the bedroom. And then prep the kitchen and living room for painting. Yippee! Today is December 29th, 2018. It's 53 degrees in here, too cold to paint, but I decided to come in and at least get my painted doors hung on the painted cabinets. So first I have to hang the hinges, and then I have all my doors marked. I was going to paint the other sides, but since I cleaned them up so well, I don't have to. But right here is where I wrote my information. So each door goes back in its proper place. How do you like it? And the bottom doors aren't painted yet. I still have to clean up the drawers, which are sitting in the living room over here, and the bottom panels. I have all the doors rehung. Bottom ones still need to be painted. And I got the bathroom doors up. That one's not closing quite right, but I still have to find the latches. So I have a bunch of these little gizmos and the latches somewhere. I don't know quite where yet, but anyhow. So that the bathroom pretty much cleared out. Still have to fix the sink. My telescoping ladder doesn't fit where I thought it would, so I'll have to find a place for it. I wanted to put it in here, but it doesn't fit. However, I do have the outside storage bay, so I can try that later. So I need to change the lock on that storage bay. There's nothing in it right now. So there we go. What you think, y'all? Oops, just ran into a platform there. So there you go. Actually, it kind of looks like there's no cabinet doors when you walk past. It's like, oh, door's open. I'll get used to it. I just want a different contrast, you know, and I might end up painting them a different color eventually. I don't know. But wow, look at this. Medieval. What a weird difference, huh? And I'm going to paint the kitchen the same color as the bedroom, because I just want the rooms to have different contrasts. And then I will paint the living room the same color as the bathroom. And I wish I could start painting, but it's too cold. It's 52 degrees today. So, but I have it all taped off and prepped for painting in the living room area. Kitchen will be my last room because it's so detailed. And it'll probably take me several days to paint it because of all the detail work I have to do. The walls will remain the way they are. I do have some stick-on tiles to put on the walls, but I'm not going to paint the walls. I'll paint the cabinets. And of course, this side is nothing but a wall of cabinets. So we are getting there. And once I get this finished, I'll have my electrical taken care of. And I will have to test the water. Fix that sink, test the water. I'm not too sure how this one works. I haven't really gotten into it and looked yet. But there's my water tank. I may or may not be using it. I like having reserve water though, so I may be using it. So we'll see. All my latches are in this little container here. I've got spray paint because I'm debating on whether to paint these or not. They're kind of, I don't know, they're rustic looking though, but yeah, some of them are rusty looking. So, but I have this copper colored hammered paint to put on them if I choose to do so. And get all my crap out of the kitchen sink. There's really not a whole lot in there. It's just get it out of there. My painting supplies are all stacked up against the wall. So hopefully we'll get a break in the weather and I can get back down here and get some more painting done. I think I kind of interrupted my own self. So after I get the water and plumbing figured out, then I will start laying a new floor. Or maybe I should put a wall up, huh? That might not be a bad idea. Let's put a wall up in this thing and get that wall re-insulated. And fix the floor there. Oh, so much to do still. Okay, thanks for hanging. Let's see if we can zoom in on the... Nah, can't zoom in, don't get a good picture. So it says 52.3 degrees. It's pretty chilly. Okay, and this little Texas gal don't like to be cold. So I will catch y'all later. Thanks for hanging, and live the life you love. Let's find something that'll focus. Oh well. Bye.